Hello all, in this video we will be looking at continue and break statements in Java. Let us take for loop and display numbers from 1 to 5 for explaining what continue statement does and break statement does. With example. Now let's run without them. It prints all numbers 1 to 5. Now we will use the continue statement in the if statement checking 3. Let us see the output. In continue, it skips the given condition only and continues its loop. Now we will use the break statement in the if statement checking the same 3. Let us see the output. In the break statement, it not only skips the given condition but also terminates the loop. I will meet you all in the next video. Thank you. If you liked my video, please do give me a like below. For more videos on Java, please do subscribe to my channel. This keeps me motivated to do more videos.